Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sync audio to a video in CapCut. If you got like an audio track which you want syncing to a video, so maybe your video doesn't have the best audio and you've got an external microphone and you want to sync the external microphone's audio to the video. So we are going to go to a new project, and once we are in a new project, we want to then import the media. So I'm going to import some media here from my video. So when I record the video, I have the screen recording and I also have an external audio recording. I'm going to use the external audio recording to sync it with the video. So drag both of these onto the timeline, and here you can see we've got the external audio here and we've got the built-in video audio here. Now I'm going to click on the video, go to the audio, and I'm going to bring the audio down so I don't hurt your ears. So now to sync these two audio clips together with the video, you want to highlight all of that, right click, and it's very simple. You can simply click here, sync video to sound. That's going to then sync the audio to the video, and now you should have the audio sync with the video. Now if you want to remove the audio from the first clip, go to audio, and after you've clicked on it, just bring it all the way down. So now once we play it, we should have the updated audio sync with the video. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.